Winning feels best when everyone is waiting for you to fail. Similarly, waking up and working hard feels the most satisfying when everyone else is still asleep. While the rest of the world is dreaming, you're awake, working to make your dreams a reality. Waking up at 4 a.m. and starting to grind already puts you ahead of the game. You've already secured half the victory by getting a 4-hour head start on the world. Victory belongs to those who either break records or create them. So break the record so there's no competition left. It's a simple logic, my friend. To wake up early, your emotions, guts, and dreams need to be bigger than the comfort of your bed. Only when the drive to get out of bed is stronger than the desire to stay in it will you succeed. Decisions determine destiny, and you should never let your determination waver. The right decisions are crucial for achieving your dreams. If you keep making excuses, how will you build the castle of your dreams? Once you've seen the dream, why hesitate to work hard? Why the struggle to wake up early? The first minute of your day proves everything about your dedication to your dreams and goals. That single minute shows your guts and attitude. If you conquer that first minute at 4 a.m. by getting out of bed, then you are the king of your day, filled with positive energy. You have two choices and everyone knows them. Either stay asleep or get up. You can either keep dreaming in your sleep about what you'll do, wandering aimlessly in your dreams, or you can immediately get out of bed to start making those dreams come true. That 1-minute choice, that first single minute of the morning, determines your entire life. The result of that choice will be seen in the future. You can sleep a little longer and find failure waiting for you, or you can get out of bed and succeed. The choice is yours. Yesterday is gone and tomorrow never comes. You only have today, and how you start today, at 4 a.m. or 8 a.m., depends on the intensity of your passion and the value of your dreams. At the very least, you should feel that if you don't wake up at 4 a.m., how will you achieve that dream? Until you have that fire inside, telling yourself that you can't sleep any longer because sleeping more will make you lose too much, you won't wake up early. How far ahead do you want to get? How big of an impact do you want to make? How much worth do you want to create? It all depends on your determination. Dive deep into your work today, and when you rise tomorrow, you will shine brighter than the rest. To get somewhere, you have to leave somewhere. To gain something invaluable, you have to give up many valuable things, like your favorite morning sleep. You'll have to say goodbye to that wonderful, dream-filled sleep at 4 a.m., get yourself out of your cozy bed, and sit down to work. Only then will your mind remember that dreams aren't cheap and that to make them come true, you must wake up. If you keep sleeping, you'll keep losing. Now, it's study time. Today's 24 hours start at 4 o'clock in the morning, not at 8 o'clock. You need to let go of sleep, comfort, and warmth. Outside your comfort zone, countless opportunities are waiting for you. You just need to grab them. If you stay in bed until 8 in the morning, much will slip through your fingers, out of your life. History has never remembered anyone who lived an easy life. The world only remembers those who step out of their comfort zone and work beyond their limits, doing big things no one else has ever thought of. The world is full of people who wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. They are merely getting through life. Many of the world's top successful people start their day early in the morning, and this routine is non-negotiable for them. No matter how busy their schedule is, they maintain this habit. Whether it's acting, working out, studying, or running a country, if you're punctual with your time and strict with your routine, nothing can stop you from winning. When circumstances turn against you, some people break, while others break records. The hunger to win should always be there because whether or not your luck changes, time always does, and it only changes through hard work. Sleeping will only change the date and the year. In this world, everything depends on timing. A unique catch in a cricket match, a perfect over, or an unforgettable inning, all are remembered because of the right timing. Likewise, if you wake up at the right time and put in the hard work, the outcome can change. Then, the decision will be in your favor. Hard work done at the right time, in the right place, and for the right purpose never goes in vain. If you don't wake up at 4 a.m., someone else will. They will surely wake up and take your award, your success, your name, and your ideas. One small victory may not change the world, but it will change your world and your parents' world. It will change your whole life. So wake up early. Not just for a day, not for 2 days, but after 5 days, you'll naturally start waking up early. Study even when you lose. Study even when you don't feel like it. Study even when you're sleepy. Chase away your sleep and study because there's no better option to change your circumstances. If you don't bring about a change within yourself, nothing will change. Change has only come to those who have changed themselves. To change your circumstances, you will have to change yourself. Unscheduled, unmeasured, and extraordinary hard work will be necessary. No one ever achieved anything by taking it easy. I don't know what you're thinking when you sleep until 8 a.m. You haven't dreamed small, so why aren't you motivated to work hard? Why can't you get up at 4 a.m. at the first alarm? Taking it easy made the fast rabbit lose the race while the slow-moving tortoise won by continuously making steady progress. But it doesn't seem to matter to you. You want to achieve all your targets without even getting out of bed. There comes a time in everyone's life when you have to get serious. If you lose in the first round, remember this is your second chance. You've missed countless opportunities by waking up late. Now don't make this chance your last one. As each morning passes, you're getting older. Now is the last moment to decide. It's all or nothing. After this, you won't have the time left to work hard, but right now, you do. So why are you wasting it by sleeping in and having fun? Focus on your career because in the end, people don't care if you worked hard but failed. They only count your struggle if you succeed. Success alone determines how hard you worked on your journey. So, never rely on luck and change your habit of lying around until 8 or 9 a.m. Alarms are for people who have to get up out of necessity. To wake up early, you need self-motivation, self-discipline, and the passion that used to wake up the greats of the past. The alarm itself should be impressed that you're dedicated to your target, getting up without hitting the snooze button. This won't lower your confidence. It will give you a kick to work hard again the next day, to wake up again at 4 a.m. There's a different kind of satisfaction in working hard during the quiet of 4 a.m. That's the right time when you can start changing your habits. Waking up at 4 a.m. could be the first step in this transformation. During this first part of the day, while the world sleeps, you can use the peaceful environment to prepare to make your dreams a reality. Waking up at 4 a.m. is no ordinary task, but it's a necessary one if you want to change your life. This habit will increase your physical and mental efficiency. It will improve not only your studies but also your memory power and lifestyle. The first step on the path to success is waking up early and studying. Your biggest enemy is your uncontrolled mind. Control it. Tell your mind that it's time for relaxation is over. If you don't work hard now, when will you? How long will you tolerate hearing from your mom every morning it's 9 a.m., get up already? If you want to achieve something, get up at 4 a.m. and start studying before your mom does. Then you'll find a different kind of joy in hard work because if you keep hearing this from your family, soon enough, your destiny will fall asleep too. Why don't you like waking up for your dreams? Listen, brother, there's only one life and only one choice. And that choice is that you'll have to work hard to achieve your dream. You'll have to get up at 4 a.m., surpass others, and leave them behind. Whether someone wakes you up or not, your target, your dream, and your motivation should be so powerful that your eyes open at 4 a.m. on their own, without anyone needing to say a word. To be successful, great people don't do anything different. They also have the same 24 hours in a day that you have. They just manage their time more efficiently, knowing that if they work a few extra hours by waking up at 4 a.m., they'll get ahead of others. So today, if you're enjoying this comfortable life where sleep seems like everything, you need to give it up and set a target that cannot be achieved without waking up at 4 a.m.